A routine flight turned into a national tragedy. American Eagle Flight 5342, en route to Washington, D.C., collided mid-air with a U.S. Army Black Hawk helicopter. The result? A catastrophic loss of life and a nation in shock. But what exactly happened on January 29, 2025? How could two aircraft meet in the sky in such a devastating way? Today I analyze the tragic collision, the shocking footage, and what investigators are uncovering about this disaster. Flight 5342, operated by PSA Airlines under the American Eagle brand, took off from Knoxville McGee-Tyson Airport, bound for Washington, D.C. On board were 63 passengers and 4 crew members, all expecting a routine landing at Reagan National Airport. But as the aircraft made its final approach, an unexpected danger was looming in its flight path. A U.S. Army Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk helicopter conducting training operations nearby. At 3:47 p.m., the two aircraft entered the same airspace. According to preliminary reports, air traffic control issued clearance to Flight 5342 for descent. At the same time, the Black Hawk was performing a maneuver at approximately 2,500 feet. Then, in a split second, disaster struck. The right wing of the Embraer ERJ-175 clipped the tail of the Black Hawk. The impact sent both aircraft spiraling out of control. Eyewitnesses on the ground reported a massive explosion, followed by debris falling into the Potomac River. Emergency responders rushed to the scene, but tragically, no one survived. The National Transportation Safety Board, NTSB, and the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, launched an immediate investigation. The main questions: was this a case of miscommunication? Did a mechanical failure contribute, or was it an unavoidable accident? Both the cockpit voice recorder and flight data recorder were recovered. Experts are analyzing them to determine the final moments before the crash. Some aviation analysts believe the collision might have been caused by miscommunication between civilian and military air traffic controllers. Others suggest possible technical failures or human error. The tragedy of Flight 5342 has raised serious concerns about flight safety, especially in high-traffic airspace near major airports. The FAA has since announced a review of civilian and military flight coordination. Could this accident have been prevented? And what measures will be taken to ensure this never happens again? Our thoughts are with the families of those lost in this heartbreaking event. As we await further details from the investigation, one thing is certain: this tragedy will forever be remembered as a turning point in aviation safety. What do you think led to this disaster? Could this have been prevented? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth coverage on aviation incidents and investigations.